So an update here on the T-Bird. Got some new paint job. Made it a little bit nicer here in the engine bay, a little bit more fresh. It's actually looking pretty good. Got that forward blue on the air cleaner looking good, and fixed the brakes, working on the spark plugs, kind of PB blasting it. Found the windshield wiper bag. This is the original windshield wiper bag, and I'm going to fill that up. There's the pump down there, and it's all connected, and we'll see if this thing pumps wiper fluid to the to the blades. And I need to find a reservoir for the coolant, so I'm just using this bottle for the time being, so when this thing comes to a stop after being on, it doesn't just dump coolant all over the floor, which is not good. And spark plugs are pretty rusted. As you can see, I changed this one here already, and so I'm working on these other ones, and I'm kind of PB blasting them, letting them sit for a while, working them. I like to change all the spark plugs to platinums. And I'm having an electrical issue with this thing, so I got a fuse box in the glove compartment, and got all fresh fuses in there, but I don't have power to the dashboard, the gauges, and the blinkers anymore. So a little bit baffled about what the heck is going on there. I don't know. It's like one step forward and two steps backwards with these things. So anyways, trying to figure it out. Interior is looking quite nice, as you can see. But yeah, this fuse box here, I don't know, something was blown, and then I replaced the fuses, and it's just not working. So I'm trying to use this diagram to figure out what the heck is going on. But if it has all good fuses in it, it should turn on. I just don't get it. So I'm trying to figure out what the heck is going on here. It's very, very frustrating, very confusing.